What if sleep paralysis isn't just one thing? Science says that your brain wakes while your body remains paralyzed, locked in the REM stage of sleep. But your body doesn't freeze itself. It's electricity that holds your muscles still, the same way a taser overrides movement without laying a finger. Some species of the unseen manipulate electricity, lights, devices, and you. If you've ever synchronized mind to mind with such a being through fear, obsession, curiosity, ritual, invitation, or religious fanaticism, it may be present in that moment. And if it is, your emotions are exposed, because emotion rides on electricity. You are connected, and you cannot lie to an energetic intelligence. It already knows what you feel beneath your words: panic, anger, faith, or doubt. In that state, you may find you can't scream, can't curse, can't call for help. No sound comes out. But even if you could, it would only amplify what you're already radiating. You need to calm your current. That is your weapon. So yes, maybe it's just a glitch, or maybe it's something more. Either way, don't feed it fear. Don't fight. Don't scream. Don't threaten. Save your energy. Relax. Focus on the inhalation and the exhalation of your breath. Let it pass. The less you resist, the faster it ends. And when it's over, don't talk about it. Don't dwell on it. Don't invite it back with your thoughts or behavior. The more space you give it in your world, the more power it gains. Follow for more warrior wisdom and life-changing truth.